Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Smash Ball is probably one of the most fun and engaging outdoor games you can find, perfect for all ages and skill levels, combining elements of dodgeball, volleyball, and basketball into one exciting package. This comprehensive review will help you choose the perfect Smash Ball for your next backyard barbecue, beach trip, or family gathering, covering everything from durability and size to the overall playing experience. Number 5. GoSports Slammo Game Set. Get ready for Slammo, the fast-paced, 2-on-2 game that's fun for everyone. It's like volleyball, but even easier to play. Slammo is an action-packed game where teams try to return or spike the ball to the net. You only get 3 hits, so strategy is key. This set includes everything you need: a round net, 3 balls, a carrying case, and the rules. It's ready to go right out of the box. Slammo is perfect for kids and adults alike. It's easy to learn, but challenging enough to keep everyone engaged. It's built to last with high-tension netting, a durable frame, and all-surface legs. You'll get years of fun out of it. Slammo sets up in seconds, so you can start playing right away. Get ready for some serious spiking action. What we like. It sets up in a flash, so you're playing before you know it. Its high-quality materials ensure it'll last through countless games. If you're looking for a fun, inclusive game for the whole family, this is it. What people say. Slammo has removable net anchors where Spikeball has the anchors built right onto the black frame. Slammo does not have a locking mechanism when you insert the black poles into the green legs, where with Spikeball when you insert the frame into the legs it sort of clicks or locks into place. The frame is a sturdy PVC. The net doesn't seem to be inappropriately stretching, provides great tension. It only takes about 5 minutes to set up, less than that to take down. Love being able to store it in a handy carry case. Number 4. Spikeball Original Kit. Get ready for fast-paced fun with the Spikeball Original Kit. It's the perfect game for families and friends to enjoy together, anytime, anywhere. This portable set lets you play on grass, sand, or even indoors. It's so easy to set up, you'll be playing in minutes. The kit includes everything you need: a ball, net, drawstring bag, and rulebook. You'll be spiking in no time. It's made with durable materials, so it can withstand countless games. This is one game set that will last for years of fun. Spikeball is more than just a game, it's a way to connect with friends and family through friendly competition and shared laughter. What we like. Get ready for intense rallies and strategic gameplay. It's easy to pack and take anywhere, perfect for spontaneous matches. If you are looking for a challenging and portable game that will keep you coming back for more, this is the one for you. What people say. It's super easy to learn and solid for pretty much anyone to play. I love how this breaks down and can be carried anywhere. Our family loves this game and we've been able to take it to multiple places, including on vacation. Spikeball is a great game. This set arrived in great condition. The net is sturdy and the instructions are clear, simple for setup. Number 3. Champion Sports Scoop Ball. It's the classic game of catch, but with a fun twist. This deluxe scoop ball set is perfect for parties, picnics, or any outdoor gathering. Made from tough, high-density plastic, it's built to last. These scoops and balls are safe and fun for kids and adults of all ages. It's a great lawn game for the whole family. Everyone from kids to adults can enjoy hours of fun with this equipment. It's not just fun, it's challenging too. Playing this game helps improve motor skills and coordination. This game introduces new movements similar to lacrosse and badminton. It's a great way for young athletes to develop their skills. What we like. It puts a new twist on a classic game. It's not just fun, it also helps develop hand-eye coordination. If you want a simple, engaging game that's great for all ages and skill levels, this is a great choice. What people say. Plastic is very sturdy and withstands hard play by kids. It was easy for my nieces and nephews to use and they loved them. They played several different types of games, as well as just catch with them. These were better constructed than I expected. Lots of fun for the pool or park. We ordered these during the summer, and our kids absolutely had a blast. It was great and quality family time allowing us to be outdoors and to exercise. It came with multiple sets so that everyone had one at least, and it is a fun activity for all ages. We all range from ages 3 up to 36 and everyone had a blast. Number 2. Nisha Paddle Ball Set. Get ready for some fun. This set includes 2 professional-grade squash balls and 2 rackets with comfortable, non-slip grips. It's designed for intuitive play, so everyone can join in. It's more than just a game, it's a chance to connect. Perfect for families and friends of all ages, 4 and up, it encourages fun and interaction in a relaxed, non-competitive way. Built to last. The rackets are made from extra thick, water-resistant plywood, and the balls are made from official-grade rubber. They're designed to withstand hours of play. Enjoyable exercise for body and mind. It's a fun way to get active, improve hand-eye coordination, and enjoy some friendly competition. A great alternative to other sports. Play it anywhere. This set is perfect for indoor or outdoor fun, at the beach, park, backyard, or even inside on a rainy day. Hours of entertainment await. We're so confident you'll love this paddle ball set that we offer a money-back guarantee. No questions asked. What we like. Experience the smooth gameplay of high-quality materials built to last. It's perfect for bonding and friendly competition. If you value quality and interactive fun, this is the set for you. What people say. I read all the comments before getting this, and I must say that they are very comfortable, just the right weight and size. I don't get them wet, but I do sweat on the grip and it's in perfect condition. I've been using them for a couple of months and they feel pretty cool. Also I love the 2 different kind of that came in the pack, the black for shorter distance, white for longer distances. These seem sturdy and feel good in your hand and are fun in the yard or on a pickleball court if you want a little quicker game. Good quality wood product. Because it is a little heavier than cheaper ones because it is well made with good wood. That's a good thing, but just for your info if you're using it for little kids. Number 1. Funwares Colorful Squid Squish. It boosts color recognition, counting, and hand-eye coordination. This fast-paced game combines excitement with learning, making it perfect for family game nights with toddlers and older kids. It has 4 different levels, color-coded for easy selection. It's suitable for kids aged 4 to 8, ensuring years of fun and active play. It's a captivating game that fosters essential social skills through group play. It encourages sharing, turn-taking, and cooperation, building important interpersonal skills. It's a colorful, fast-paced, and educational game that brings families together. Give the gift of fun, education, and lasting memories. Kids sit around a feeding zone with colorful foam balls. Using a dome, they race to collect specific colored balls shown on the game cards. Up to 4 kids can play simultaneously. What we like. It's more than just a game, it's a fun way to learn and grow. The different levels keep it engaging as your child develops. If you are looking for a fun and educational game that will help your child develop important social skills, this is a great option. What people say. The balls shoot all around the floor or table when racing to catch a specific color. It is easy for children 3 and up to hold. The balls are soft so no one can get hurt. There are sequencing cards to catch certain balls to make it more challenging. This is a very fun game that can work with a variety of ages, with the squids made out of good plastic and silicone, making them fairly resilient to being repeatedly slammed into the ground. The game is very easy to learn, with the object being to quickly collect whatever the cards tell you to, and is very easy to adapt to custom rules or imaginative ways to play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.